Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to use Reshare Sticker on Instagram. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now tap on your story from the top left corner to create a new Instagram story. You can capture a new photo or video, or upload any photo or video from your gallery. I am gonna take a photo to cover up it with a color. For this, go to the marker tool from the top. Choose a color from the bottom. And then press and hold on the screen to make a solid color background. Then press Done from the top right corner. Now tap the sticker icon at the top. Here you will see the Reshare sticker. If you do not see it, you need to update your Instagram app. Tap on it. Then Instagram will bring up images and videos you have seen recently. On the next tab, you will find your saved post. And beside you will see your older posts. Select any of these you want to reshare on your story. You can resize the sticker, and place it anywhere on the screen by dragging. You can also add sound, any other sticker, or any text if you want. And when you are all done, you can share your story. Your story has been updated. Check this out. So basically, this is how the Reshare sticker works inside your Instagram stories. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.